just gonna remove the air duct for the intake. Remove the bottom as well. I don't know as to why they designed it this way. It's a pain in the bum to access. Now, if you're not able to get down there with a socket, you can probably use a wrench. It's an 8 millimeter. So, I got the air duct work. This one is a pain in the butt because it's hiding in the corner. So I don't know if I can adjust it a tiny bit. They make it very hard to access. So now we are going to clean the throttle body because it's dirty, and so I got approval from the customer to clean the throttle body. So you can use a CRC throttle body cleaner, or when I used to work at the dealership, they were giving out the Forte air intake and throttle body cleaner. So I'm going to be using this stuff. They work relatively the same, so you can use either or any throttle body cleaner. So we're going to clean the throttle body now, give it a few sprays here. You see all the gunk here? You might not see it on camera here because it's on a different angle. You can see here all the buildup on the black stuff here, just where the throttle body closes. So now you can either use a blue shop towel or a toothbrush of some sort and to clean the throttle body. You want to clean everywhere. You want to clean the sides, behind it, everywhere. I'm using a toothbrush to get in there. You see the black crud as I'm cleaning it. It's pretty bad on where it is on the one side here. My arm is in the way here. And if you want, you can use a blue shop towel to clean everything down. Want to be careful and not get anything in there. You don't want to spray too much because you don't want to flood the engine with too much of the cleaner. And after you're finished cleaning, GMs typically don't have a relearn procedure. You just drive the vehicle as normal, and you should relearn the new throttle position on its own. You keep on cleaning it until all the carbon is cleaned out, and then you should be all good to go. And then you just need to reinstall the ductwork, and then you can just drive the vehicle as normal. Make sure everything is cleaned before you put everything all back together. And you should be all good to go. So now we are going to start the engine. I did a throttle body service, and so there's a lot of cleaner inside the intake. So the engine got a little flooded with fuel. So you might need to rev the engine up a little bit to get the cleaner out and to work its way through. The check engine light is on, but don't worry, we are going to clear the codes. Because I did the throttle body service just now,